bang.
Ya, sekejap agak apa tadi usai macam.
Kamera.
Tak apalah.
Cepat apa lagi?
Hari ni nak kena pergi beki kereta. Aircon problem.
Breakfast time.
So what's that, bro?
This is iced lemon tea.
I'm thinking about Long Island. Okay, this is Mark Jason, best buddy. Wait, bro.
I have a very strong feeling.
What is it?
Tonight's gonna be a good night.
It's not night yet.
It's still day.
Still there, so yeah, let's go.
See my teeth? It's clean. I've got certificate for that. Clean teeth.
Oh, okay.
I need to
Enjoy.
shave. So where are we going now?
I have no idea. So,
You might bang the
Yeah.
mud sheet. Don't bang the mud sheet.
Alright.
By the way, I'm no supporter. I love Najib.
Dude, don't ruin my video, dude. Dah seminggu lebih rasanya tak upload video, so macam-macam hal lah jadi. Everything is fucked. Okay, first my car, second is my job, and third is I don't know what, but there's a lot of things happen. So yeah, that shop, we're going to that shop, that bengkel.
Sir, do you repair aircon? Boleh cakap Melayu tak? Encik, awak ada repair aircon?
Please speak English. We're at the shop, fixing the car. Kompresor aircon rosak, so 400 dia cakap. Mahal gila. Okey, tak jadi repair kereta. Mahal sangat. Tak kena ada 1000 lebih baru boleh repair. Kepala otak dia.
Right, so there goes my friend. He's a bit frustrated because he couldn't repair his car. That's why I told him, don't buy Malaysian car. Yeah. Finally, the weather's hot today. So
It's really hot. Yeah. Plus tak ada AC. Aircon tak ada. Plus see, I'm sweating. Oh shit. Don't smoke in the car. Okay, it's a bad habit.
I think it's the right time for waterfall.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go. No, we're not going to waterfall. Dah banyak dah bengkel cari. Semua bengkel mahal. So, kos bengkel kereta, aircon saja nak dekat 1000 lebih. So, forget it. Mark Jason.
Smoking lah, bastard.
Azlan. Kita lepak je lah. Dan bengkel kereta pun mahal. So, kita lepak lah. Minum air kelapa.
Minyak botol 5 kilo. Harga lama 13. Harga baru tu 25. Katelik dalam. Katelik.
Dia orang berapa? Ala macam mana tu? Ya. Timing lah. Dari muka antara.
Benda macam ni pun ada orang percaya. Tengok. Tengok tarikh tahu dah. Si menipu siut. Si Tadi dah pergi semua bengkel kereta untuk baiki aircon, tapi semua mahal. Boleh buat apa? Kereta maintain rosak. Thank you very much.